Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm going to be your tour guide today. We are at Resorts World Catskills. My stay here was for 3 nights. We are here because we're attending a Def Leppard concert at Bethel Woods. I'm traveling today with my mother and sister. During my 3-night stay, I also stayed at the Alder. The Alder is a freestanding hotel on the same property. It's more of a smaller boutique hotel. The hotels are not connected, but it's only a short walk away. If you stay at the Alder, you could use all the amenities at Resorts World. Resorts World is much larger and more dynamic if you're looking for a full resort experience. One nice thing about the Alder is they have free coffee in the morning. Me and my sister really enjoyed this. We stayed here for 2 nights. The first night, we stayed in my mother's room at the main resort. I'm going to show you both rooms throughout this video. The Alder is very cozy, more boutique. Let's go check out a room in the Alder. I've been to the Resorts World Catskills so many times, but I've never been able to come up here before. So I'm pretty excited to see what the rooms were like. My first reaction was they're much smaller. The rooms over at the Resorts World Catskills are all considered suites. They're very oversized. The beds in both properties are very good. I love the sheets. I wouldn't consider these rooms luxury. I feel like the other rooms at the other hotel are more luxurious, but this feels more modern. Kind of reminds me of a Disney or a Universal Studios room. The bathroom in the other hotel is much bigger. The shower was a little narrow, but it had great hot water, good pressure. It was very clean. They supply you with shampoo and conditioner. For closet space, there's a wardrobe. It has an iron and a safe. There's a lot of red accents here, including where you put your suitcase and the refrigerator. There is also a small coffee maker in the room. Okay, let's check out the rest of this hotel. Also in this video, I'm going to be taking you to Kartrite. That is a neighboring hotel that has a big water park. Unfortunately, I could not see the water park, so you won't be seeing that, but you'll be seeing the hotel part of it. Later in the video, I'm also going to be sharing with you a dining experience that we enjoyed off-site. What I love about this hotel is there's a lot of places to sit. You ever notice when you go to a casino, the only seats available are in front of slot machines? It's not like that over here. This is a great place to stay if you're really not that interested in the casino. This would be the walk from the front entrance, but there is a closer way. There is a back entrance located on the floor below the lobby. There is a lot of parking and it is free. I have made many videos about this resort already, but I'm going to give you a quick tour of what it's like in this main resort. It's going to be more grand, more dynamic. If you're familiar with Atlantic City, it has like vibes of the ocean when you first walk in. This hotel is typically a little more expensive to stay in. So if you're someone that gets comp rooms, sometimes you may not be able to stay here, but they may be able to get you into the Alder. That was the case with me. I usually prefer to stay here, but my mother gambles more, and she was offered the fancy room over here. Like I mentioned earlier, if you stay at the Alder, you could use the pools and all the facilities over at Resorts World. This is a look at the family pool. There is also an adult pool and a hot tub spa. They have a nice sitting area outside as well. If you overlook the patio, you can see the Alder, the Green Hotel. And I hit the casino while I was here. I played this game for the first time. I didn't do very well. I didn't need to do this because I had comp rooms myself at the Alder. But if you want to stay here, check out your comp. I have an affiliate link I'll leave in the description below. The offers are great. I'll discuss more of that later. Now I want to show you a restaurant that is open at the Resorts World 24/7.
That's like a horseradish sauce.
Oh, I think I'm not going to do that.
Oh, I'll try that. As long as it's okay with Jackie.
I got a nice plain hamburger.
Me and Jackie are going to Def Leppard tonight. Yay!
That was a trip.
Yes.
The band was staying there. We were just like literally just sitting around, hanging out at the bar, and we're like, oh my God, there goes the band. They're on their way to the show. That was cool seeing them in person, off the stage in their regular clothes, having a normal life, you know, not being up on the stage as rock stars. Here's my mom's room. This is one of the better rooms. I absolutely love these rooms. When I come here with my husband, Kelly, we stay in these rooms. These are the corner rooms. So they are a little bit, I don't know if they're bigger than the other rooms. I think they are a little bit bigger, but they have the 2 big windows, beautiful views. I really love these rooms. So if you ever get the opportunity to stay in these rooms, grab it. I'm going to take you to the casino again because that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to gamble. I personally played a combination of video poker and regular slot machines.
Decision to make here. She already has a flush, but a flush is only 80. and a royal flush with a deuce. Like if you got a couple of them. But I can't make that call for you because you may not get any of them.
I know. How much is a royal flush? Royal flush with deuce is 1,000. Wow. I know. I would do that. I would take the gamble.
Or she could also get 5 aces, which would be great.
So good.
See, oh, you got one! Yay!
These are nickels, though. Don't forget.
No,
That was
this
good.
is
I was way
great.
down.
No, this is great. Oh my God, look, you got 2 of them. That was a very good decision. Thank you.
I've been trying to avoid the huge, big games and play more simple games like the sevens games.
I did win $24.
I still came home down money, but my coin in was much bigger. And that is how you get comp rooms.
I was playing 6 times there. Now we're gonna up it to 8. See what happens. The triple, that's nice. What is that? 25.60. Sweet. Because I'm at 25.60, I won 25.60, and I'm up. Put $100 in. Because they gave me some money to gamble with, I'm gonna go for a little higher. I started off at minimum, and I keep working my way up. See if the machine hits. If it is, and it's playing with me, I'll play back. Let's go.
That's my strategy anyhow. I start with a $100 bill, and if they give me some money back, I take that money they're giving me back and I up my
See how much
bet.
this spin is. So I'm at 129. All right, so this is like $2 a spin. $18. You get 3 triples, you get that.
These are fun games. I played several of them, maybe for about an hour, and they started getting a little colder. So then I moved back over to video poker
You quit.
and won my money back.
It was like $100.
Now we're heading over to Kartrite. It was midday. We were really hungry. The only place that was only open at Resorts World was the 24/7, which we just went to. We were looking for something different. I was hoping to see the Waterpark, but apparently you can't go in unless you pay to go in, and I didn't want to do that because we weren't staying. Beautiful place, very dynamic like Resorts World, very high ceilings, a lot of children. This is a place to bring your kids. No casino here, but there were a lot of activities and games, things for them to do. Resorts World really doesn't have a lot for kids to do. It has an indoor pool, that's about it. I spoke to someone at the front desk about getting a tour, and unfortunately I couldn't do it that day, but they said I could do it in the future, so hopefully I'll be able to come back and make a more thorough video about this place, because it is interesting, for sure. We're just short on time this week. I literally just got off a 7-night cruise Sunday. I went home to Connecticut, packed my bags, and came up here to New York to go to the Def Leppard concert Sunday night. I've been running around like a lunatic. Living the life of a rock star, except I don't have to get on stage, even better. I was able to get a comp cruise on MSC's Merivale from Brooklyn. That was really nice. I'll have video tours of that coming up soon. I was able to get a comp cruise through Your Comp by providing my comp offers from other casinos into their database. It's really cool. You got to check it out. I don't know about you, but I like to cruise for free. That's for sure. There was no port taxes or fees or anything. Oh my God, I have so much to say, and this video is almost over. My sister researched this restaurant. She was looking to eat somewhere Italian. I think it's called Abella's. It was beautiful. They had fresh orchids on the table. The menu was really good. The portions were huge. We had a really nice experience here. We were there about 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon, so it was very easy to get a table, but I'm sure this place probably gets filled up. It was really good. I'll leave some playlists at the end of this video if you want to know more information about Resorts World and Bethel Woods. Bethel Woods was an amazing place to see a summer concert, and Resorts World is really not that far away. It was pretty direct and easy to get to. Dinners came with a salad, and we also ordered the bruschetta plate, which was really good. This may have been on the specials menu. It had avocado in it. I ordered the eggplant rollatini, which was enormous. It's like 3 portions. My sister ordered the chicken franchise, and her mama ordered chicken margarita. All came with pasta. Here are some playlists if you want to know more information. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to my channel for more tours like this. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. Always remember to be well to yourself and kind to others. Safe travels to you.